first of all, the word icon is, it's a very tricky word. An icon is someone who is legendary despite of successes or failures. I don't think I've reached that yet. I definitely would like to reach a point where I leave a legacy behind for my children, for my country. I want to have a footprint across the world which shows the world that what we stand for as talent, what we stand for as the Indian film industry. I don't want to be known as a spoof of Hollywood. I don't think that's what we are. So my plowing the ground right now is trying to break the stereotype of what people think Indian talent is. I truly am a believer of the fact कि अगर हाथ बढ़ा के कोई खड़ा हो जाए और बोले लाओ जी मुझे सक्सेस दे दो, वो थोड़ी ना मिलेगी. You have to work really hard. There's no free lunch in the world. And I'm willing to sacrifice my sleep. I'm willing to sacrifice food. I'm willing to sacrifice quality of life, if that's what you want to call it. And to be able to achieve, to be an achiever. I don't think कि एक film करने से Hollywood is done. I don't think so. My show has had just one season. I mean, yes, my television show, I'll take credit for it because it's done tremendously well. It's very, very successful. We've gone to about 210 territories around the world, dubbed in about 56 languages already. Like, I was just in France to launch it. We've gone to Spain, we've gone to UK, we've gone to Chile, Peru, Japan, so many amazing countries. And I hear myself speaking all those languages because I'm dubbed in them. आपने मेरा reaction Twitter नहीं देखा?
देखा है, लेकिन आज सामने
There, this is the photo, the infamous photo. And so that was my reaction. मैंने अपने real, बड़ा गंदा लगता है ये word. But I must be a really big star if my armpits were on CNN in America. The way I see it. So my reaction was that I put a photograph out on Twitter and told people, judge for yourselves. That's it. I'd say thank you very much, Kareena, for acknowledging my work. She's actually been very, very encouraging of me and the teddy things that I do sometimes. And I really admire for her for being that way with me. And I mean, I wish her the best in life. And I'm really, really grateful that, you know, words like that coming from your colleagues, it really gives you the strength to be able to do even better work. So thank you. I did Etraz and I did Saat Khoon Maaf, and I really enjoy playing villain characters. And Baywatch was, that's the reason why it is so much fun, is because it's a comedy. So, so basically it is Victoria against all 6 of the lifeguards. So the lifeguards have to try and, I can't tell you the premise of the story, but the lifeguards have to protect themselves and the beach against Victoria, who wants to destroy them. So the entire film is about how that happens, and of course the relationships between the two. So it's a comedy movie, it's not a drama, and obviously with Zach and Dwayne, it'll be hilarious. It's a very, very funny movie. It's going to be a major, I think so, it'll be a major summer blockbuster next year. You all must keep May 19th marked, because first of all, we've all loved Baywatch growing up, especially in India. And second of all, I'm very mean in the film. I can't do a Hindi film till my season 2 finishes for Quantico, so I have the luxury of time. कि मैं time लेकर, इसीलिए मैं actually Bombay इतना वक्त मैंने बताया, because I've been meeting a lot of filmmakers. The problem is that I have only a certain chunk of time for next year, and I've heard so many interesting scripts, I don't know how to pick right now. So I'm at that point where I am being greedy. There are some incredible films that are being made in Hindi films right now, and over the last actually 2 weeks, I've met some amazing filmmakers. मेरा मन करता है ये भी करूँ, ये भी करूँ, ये भी करूँ. But जैसे मेरे को आदत है ना 4 films at least a year करने की. So far, I mean, there have been a lot of actors who've taken sabbaticals, whose films haven't come out, female and male, whose films haven't come out for 2 years, 3 years. But I don't think the Indian audience needs to be reminded कि आओ मुझे देखो. अगर उनको प्यार है, देखना चाहेंगे, देख लेंगे, नहीं देखना चाहेंगे, नहीं देखेंगे. आप किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते आओ फिल्म देखने के लिए. हमारी ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है. I'm not worried. I'll be very sad because Baywatch is a rated R movie. It is a comedy on, you know, which is like that. which is, I mean, common news because Dwayne keeps writing that on every post about Baywatch that he makes. But I don't know, apparently the conversations are going in a really great way. It is a certification board and hopefully we'll get certified. I hope that happens.
प्रियंका, हमने सुना 40 डेज के लिए यहाँ पे रहने वाली है और उन दिनों में
खत्म हो गए 40 days.
हाँ, और कुछ 100 करोड़ की एंडोर्समेंट
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर प्लीज. काश ऐसा होता. ये बड़ी अच्छी कहानी थी. It was really great for my ego, I must say.
But that's not true.
No, babe, come on. Obviously not. It's such a stupid, exaggerated number. No.